So student, let's perform an activity. Let's do an activity. This activity is just concerned to fragmentation. Activity number 8.4. First of all, collect some water. The first step. Collect some water from a lake or a pond. Collect some water. Which type of water? That appears dark green. If the water somewhere in the pond is appearing dark green, collect some water. And because why it is looking green? Why it is looking green? Because
alcohol is present.
It is containing some filamentous structure. Actually, still now we don't know that what type of the filamentous structure are those. But it is having some filament-like structure. So collect the water, okay? Some water containing green filament. Now the second step. Put one or two filament from this water on the slide. Just take the slide. Just take the slide and put one or two filament on this slide. Okay? So, take some water from the pond, which is appearing green. Take one or two filament from that water and put on the slide. Now this slide is having one or two filament, green filament. Okay? One or two filament on the slides. Now what to do? Take some glycerine. Put a drop of the glycerine with the help of the dropper and put over it. Drop one. One drop of glycerine on these one or two filament. Okay? Now cover it with the cover slip. Okay? Cover it with the help of cover slip. Now observe under microscope. What will you find there? Listen again. Go to a pond. The water is looking green in that pond. Put some water from that pond. It is looking green because it is having some filamentous structure. What is this? We will study it after the activity. Take one or two filament on the slide, glass slide. Put one drop of glycerine over it and cover it with the help of the cover slip. And observe carefully under the microscope. Observe carefully. You will find some filamentous structure clearly visible on the slide. Some fragments. This is nothing but the Spirogyra. You know, Spirogyra can simply break up into smaller pieces upon fragmentation, upon maturation. Spirogyra is split into some fragment upon maturation. When it gets its maturity divided by itself into some fragments, and each fragment will produce new individual. This is a sexual reproduction in a Spirogyra. So this activity is concerning with the study of the asexual reproduction, that is fragmentation in Spirogyra. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.